Yeah, we might need more heat.
Penetrated properly. Hello.
Oh,
Some people. Oh, it is. It's cooling down.
Yeah, it's cooling down. It's fine. Whoops. How is it on again? Huh?
It's not even showing the overheating thing either. I'm gonna go get gloves.
Yeah, that's a good idea. I think he's wrong. I think it's screen first, so I'm just gonna pursue that avenue this time.
Why are these all different gloves? What the frack? Oh, hold up.
Wait.
We're penetrated, boys. Oh, yes.
That is hot on my very bare hands.
Oh.
There we go. Yep, looks like some adhesive.
Oh, that's all that is.
Holding on to that there.
Wow, there's no connections, eh?
Nice.
What is that? That looks like something we broke. Whatever. It was only like $400. Why did you just turn it on?
I'm just curious.
Oh, okay.
Making sure we didn't break it.
Oh. Or maybe we didn't break it.
Yeah, I don't know. It seems to be working all right. This is YouTube putting its best foot forward. Security guard prank, satisfying slime, death wish, dangerous riders, 7 riddles that will test your brain.
That was fun.
So it works.
And we got it open.
How are we gonna keep track of where these go?
I thought we weren't putting this back together.
Why aren't we putting it back together?
Just remember, it's fine.
No, I'm not gonna remember, and you're not gonna remember.
They're probably all the same size screws anyway.
They're probably not. Why would you say something like that? That's such a stupid thing to say. There's actually a fairly good chance.
We just voided our warranty.
Is there anything under there?
So,
haptic feedback maybe?
Yeah, wait, no, because there's the haptic feedback thing. So what is this, speaker? Yeah, speaker.
Oh, what was that? Oh, those are the buttons.
Oh, okay.
Are those the buttons? I don't actually think those are the buttons. Can you imagine if we opened this up and it actually didn't have water?
Yeah,
what got scammed?
What the hell are they talking about?
It's got to be on the other side.
Okay, so what you're saying then is we should have gone in from the screen side.
I don't know if we can though. That might be...
I actually don't know if we can.
We should probably take the battery connector off before we continue.
Yeah, we probably should. Oh, wait, is this a tab?
No.
No. Look at that.
Be careful, don't bend it too much.
They thought of that.
Should we stick long proby things under here?
No, no plastic ones, please. Please. Oh, Jake. Okay.
I still don't see it.
I bent it pretty good.
Oh, man.
Yeah, it seems fine. Look at this. It's got like extra antenna mounting spots, like lots of them. Fingernail's the proper tool. That's what Louis Rossman told me.
Is it?
Yeah, it's like kind of rails. I don't know. It's weird. Yeah, it's like it is.
Oh, that's the SIM
tray.
Oh,
the SIM tray.
We didn't take the SIM tray out. Oh, hey, look, there's the copper thingy.
That's it?
No, but wait, it probably goes underneath or something.
That's their water cooling?
I don't think we have all of it out of there yet. It's got to be thin. It's a phone. That's how that works.
Yeah.
0.4 millimeter thick.
0.4 millimeters. So basically, there's our SoC. Everything else has shields over it, so it's actually kind of hard to tell exactly where the storage is. If I had to guess, I would say NAND flash is probably under here, or DRAM looks about that size. But what we're after is the cooler. So you can see that's where they've got the thermal compound between what again is presumably our SoC and the water cooling solution. What is it?
I don't think we're gonna be able to get it out of there, but we can expose more of it.
Is that a fart?
Yes. Big clean off the bedroom, please.
Fine.
Okay, I'll be right back.
Now that the kids have gone to bed, we can get some serious work done around here.
Nice.
I feel entirely comfortable being ageist to you because you treat me exactly the same way.
You know what? It's just because you're old, okay? Wow, he's doing it with metal. Yikes.
Is that it? That's the most we can expose? Like, can we take it apart more?
I mean, do we want to be able to put it back together, or you don't care at this point?
I don't know. I want to give the people what they came for.
we could cut it in half.
What's inside?
To start like scratching at it. Linus rig everything.
Oh, wow.
Zach's a cool guy. I love what he does.
Scratching things.
He's just better at it than we are, so I'm gonna let him do the scratching. You know what? I don't even care because you know what? That's as deep as we're going because I want to flip this phone on eBay when we're done. So basically,
What is water cooling?
What is water cooling? This. Do you want to go grab a prop for us? Do you want to go grab like a water cooler?
Oh, I was gonna bring a heatsink.
No, Jake. You're not watching.
What?
No. Can you go get a water cooler?
Oh, yeah. No, I know what you're talking about.
Yeah. Okay. He was gonna go get a water cooler.
I kind of need to fart though.
Okay, so you want to crack that open?
You don't need a water cooler.
So basically what you're looking at here is, I think calling it a water cooler is a little disingenuous.